gamers, and welcome to another video. It's Girl76 here in this video. It's mail time. So it's short mail time, but I also got a claw, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm so happy. So let's start with mail time. From Snowflake White Bell 8, thank you for the silver glove. Have it. Whoa, thank you. Rare Yeti Mouse. Thank you. Have it. Thanks. Collect those. Better. Thanks. I love March items. Like, I love. Oh, thank you. I have 2 now, but thanks. From Run in Win. Cat hat, thank you. Oh, just a second. Oops. So this claw is. Let's play one more round. Let's play one round at the end. No, let's play a couple rounds at the end of this video. Beta. Whoa, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the beta. It's beta, I believe. Whoa, thank you. Have 2 now. Thanks for the weird. Oh, that's too loud. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, no. Okay, there. From Tina562. Ooh, a rare backpack. That was like a really long ago rare item Monday. Like that was I don't know when. No problem. Thank you, Daisy. Peace cutie. From Horse Girl 7777. Crossbow, thank you. She's nice. Whoa, another gift. Rare butterfly wings. Thank you. Rare leg armor, thank you. Yay! Oh my god, yay, thank you. That's another one to my collection. Let's put it in my deck. I have another one right there. Okay. This is a phantom room. So we're putting it right here. And yes, I do collect them. Wait, let me see something. Oh my god, all of them strike blue. I really want a different color instead of blue. Keep getting blue. People always send me blue or trade me blue. But thank you, Horse Girl 7777. I think that's 7.5 sevens. Thank you. Oh, that's not my inventory. Wait, is my inventory full right now? It is, and okay, early 3. Nope, it's not full. Thank God. Alright. Pillar with face. I think that's underwater. So I've never seen that before. A little pushy, thank you. From Animal Jam Love. No, Animal Jam. Animal Lover 423. Oh, thank you, Ninja Mouse. Happy B-Day. From Flowers. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Spirit Glow. From Flower 71314. Thank you for the happy B-Day thing. Last gift is from Hatchy Patch 10. Gazoo horns, thank you. Oh my god. Why haven't you been making videos? Did you make a video yet? I've never heard of it. Love Narwhal has not been on. Wait, has she been on? I think Love Narwhal was on. She was on today. But I wasn't on when she was on. So it kind of sucks. Alright, now let's play the claw. Play like 5 rounds probably. My feet are cold. Yay, we got a plushie. I really want Phantom plushie from this. I really want the king. Yeah, it has a strawberry on its head. Yay! I love that. Yay, thank you, Animal Jam. I love the animals with the clothes on them. I like adore them. Alright, it's kind of being laggy. Let's refresh. when it goes bees laggy and everything, cause it bothers me. I can't wait till I get the Crystal Palestine because I only have 3 diamonds, which sucks. So I really want the Crystal Palestine so much. It's so bad. Oh my god, I want the Crystal Palestine. So bad. Please get a Crystal Palestine, man. Please, please, please. I want a Crystal Palestine. I hope they give me like diamonds on the spin wheel, which will never happen for me because it never happens. Oh, I want a plushie. Okay, let's do it about like one more time probably. Hopefully we can end this video with a good plushie if we get it. Oh my, I'm gonna die. Some people say you have to go to get a plushie. Oh really? Let's try it. It's not gonna work. Watch. So we're gonna go in the spot and we'll go click, 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 click. See, it does not work. They said that's how you win a plushie every time. I'm like, oh my god, that's such a lot. Okay, you know what? Whatever. We got a strawberry horse. So I'm okay with that. Okay, strawberry horse. You can sit right there. So I hope you guys enjoy this Mailtime video. So the thumbnail is going to be a spirit glove because I like spirit stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and bye!